What's up, YouTube? Dave's Midlife Car Prices here. I'm going to do a little contest response for Silver Jackify. 1,500 subs. It's pretty amazing, and his collection's amazing. That's why he got all these subs. It's so many awesome vintage, some newer stuff. Just fantastic. So go check him out, and he's doing a little giveaway for his 1,500 subscriber contest, which this is his channel. And go to this video right here, the epic giveaway. And he just wants to know a couple things. You can do a video response for it, or just put some stuff in the comments. But I want to show a little more support. I've been watching his channel for a couple of years now, and his collection's it's pretty badass. So first thing he wants to know is, who's your favorite player all time? Mine's Jeter. Everybody knows I used to be more of a Mets fan than a Yankees until the mid-90s when Jeter came along, and he's just the greatest for me. It's very special when you get to watch someone from his rookie year and play with one team all the way to the end. So I watched him as a rookie, and then I saw his last hit at Yankee Stadium. Got a little emotional when it happened. I'm sure a lot of people did. He's the captain, and he's what baseball players should be like. So Jeter's my favorite player. The second part of this contest is you need to go and watch his 2016 year in review and 2017 year in review, and let him know what your top three of his pickups were, or your favorite out of his pickups. So mine, I was going to, if you watch this video, there's a Babe Ruth Gaudy in here. That was going to be in the top three for me, but I went ahead and chose from last year, 2017. He picked up this Jackie Robinson rookie and this Willie Mays rookie. I thought those are just two badass cards. And the third one, which was going to be the Ruth, but let me find it. Here it is. He had picked up the Topps Update Mike Trout Diamond Anniversary, which I love these Diamond Anniversary cards. I have a Yankees team card in it, and they're just fantastic looking. So this is actually the Mike Trout I would love to have. More than his regular just base. If I was going to pick up a Trout, if I had the money, it would be definitely the Diamond Anniversary. It's the badass card. And third part of his contest, he wants to know. Let me jump in here real quick. So he's thinking about picking up a couple cards here, and he wants to know which one should he get. So I'm not going to go through all these, but the one I picked will be the 51 Bowman Mickey Mantle, just because it's just an epic rookie card. I know some of these other ones he's picked, which like I said, I'm not going to go fully through, but I think just value-wise, you have to get this one now rather than later. The other cards I think probably will stay relatively the same price. But I think this Mantle, with the way prices are on vintage now, it's going to go way higher up in the next couple of years compared to what it even is now. So I would jump on that this year and then try for the other ones next year. But that's what I got, guys. Go check him out, Silver Jackify. Like I said, amazing collection. He's definitely worth the time to watch his videos. Wish I would comment more on his stuff, but that's why I want to show my support by doing this video response instead of just commenting. So go check him out and then join the contest, watch his videos, and you have a good night.